Alright, hi guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge. It is a hot mess. So, I don't remember the last time I cleaned my fridge. I think it was right before I had my baby, but I could be lying. Hi guys, today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge. It is a hot mess. I don't remember the last time I cleaned it. I think the last time I cleaned it was after I had a baby about 7 months ago. So, needless to say, it's time to clean. Let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be also trying to organize it, make it look a little bit pretty, a little bit more accessible. So let's get into the video right now. Alright guys, so this is the finished product and I think it looks really, really good. I can see everything that I need to see. So in here I have, I can't really see it, hold on. So right here I have my husband's energy drinks. This was a tight squeeze, so I will probably eventually find some smaller, like some shelf things or some smaller baskets. But anyway, yeah, right here is my husband's energy drinks, and then in here I have condiments like ketchup, Parmesan cheese, I have jelly, Chick-fil-A sauce. That's what's in there. In here I have more condiments, salsa, peppers, I have relish, just stuff like that. And then right here I have my veggies that I need to actually cook and prep, or prep and cook I should say. I have some cabbage right here, and then in here I have carrots, squash and zucchini, and I have an onion. Then I have apples and avocados in this one, and then these are my husband's soups for his work, for when he goes to work. And then in this, there we go, it's kind of dark. So in this little drawer I have just cinnamon rolls, pizza, I have some yogurt and some chocolate chips. And here I have just our deli meats, like sausage. I have some imitation crab meat and some pepperoni for pizza. And here I have all of our dairy. So I have cream cheese, I have string cheese, and I have regular cheese or shredded cheese. And I think I also have some square cheese in there. And then in here I just have eggs. In this drawer I'm planning to put all of my prepped fruits and veggies. So right here I have some already peeled garlic, and here I have some peppers that have been cut up. And then I'll probably put these in a different container after I rinse them off, but these are just some sliced mushrooms. This is my meat drawer. Oh no. Anyway, this is my meat drawer. There's nothing in there yet because I'm going to be leaving soon. But I'll probably put some frozen meat in here. But this is where I keep all my raw meat. And then in here is where I plan to keep like leftovers or food that's already been meal prepped and stuff. So I already have some boiled eggs in here. And then this is chicken that's already been cooked. So I really need to close my fridge because it's been open way too long. But yeah. Oh. And then over here I have like the rest of my condiments, like my hot sauces and my marinades. And then I have some garlic right here and some more like teriyaki sauce. But then up here I have my butter in this little container. Then I have my spreadable butter. Then I have condiments that my husband likes to keep around right there. I have my not coffee creamer, but yeah, creamer for my tea. I have chocolate and syrup back here, and then I have my milk and my lemonade. And that is it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.